Okay, everybody say hi, Grandma June.
Hi, Grandma June.
We're gonna have a tour of Austin. Or Austin. What do you?
Red Rock.
What? Red Rock.
Red Rock.
Tour of Red Rock. Yeah.
And lo and behold.
What you
She called him Judah.
Me.
For your family. Not even close, but it didn't start. The boys? Hi, this is my room.
Do you want to say something, Grandma June?
Yeah.
What?
Hi, Grandma June. I miss you a lot.
Oh, that was sweet. That was sweet. Do you want to say something to Grandma June? Wait a minute, where are you going?
Hi, Grandma June.
Oh, Nate does.
Hi, Grandma June.
Oh. Okay, you want to say something now?
Hi, Grandma June. I love you.
Oh, that was nice. You want to say something to Grandma June?
Hi, Grandma June. We miss you. Have a good day.
Yeah, hi, Grandma June. Thank you for the money you gave me for my birthday.
Oh, she'll appreciate that.
Now do you know me? Yeah! And I know the money.
You got what?